Once upon a time, in a small town, there were two best friends named Lily and Emma. They lived next door to each other and did everything together. One sunny day, they decided to go on an adventure. Lily and Emma packed some sandwiches, grabbed a map, and set off to explore the nearby forest. They giggled and chatted as they walked along the winding path. The trees whispered secrets, and the birds sang cheerful songs. As they strolled deeper into the woods, they stumbled upon a magical clearing filled with colorful flowers. A friendly bunny hopped by, and butterflies danced around them. Lily and Emma felt like they had entered a fairy tale. In the middle of the clearing, there was an old, mysterious well. The girls peered inside and made a wish. They wished for endless friendship and more exciting adventures together. Suddenly, the well sparkled, and a magical door appeared. It led them to a land of talking animals and sparkling streams. Lily and Emma couldn't believe their eyes. It was a land of pure wonder. They met a wise owl who told them about the Enchanted Garden, a place where the rarest flowers bloomed. Determined to find it, Lily and Emma followed the owl's directions. Their journey was filled with laughter and challenges. They crossed a wobbly bridge, solved a riddle from a mischievous squirrel, and even befriended a shy deer. Each step brought them closer to the enchanted garden. Finally, they arrived at the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. Flowers of every color imaginable stretched as far as the eye could see. The air was filled with a sweet, enchanting fragrance. Lily and Emma spent hours exploring, taking pictures, and making memories. They even had a magical tea party with the talking animals they had met along the way. The friends felt grateful for the extraordinary day they had shared. As the sun began to set, the magical door reappeared. Lily and Emma knew it was time to go back home. With a mix of happiness and a bit of sadness, they stepped through the door and found themselves back in the familiar forest clearing. They thanked the wise owl and said goodbye to the talking animals. Lily and Emma realized that the real magic was in the bond of their friendship and the simple joys of exploring together. With hearts full of happiness, they walked back home, cherishing the memories of their enchanted adventure. Lily and Emma knew that no matter where life took them, their friendship would always be the most magical part of their journey. And so, under the golden sunset, they headed home, hand in hand, excited for the next adventure life had in store for them.